Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send a fax in Outlook. Alright, so let's begin. Even though most communication today is digital, faxing is still required in certain situations, especially for business or legal purposes. The good news is that you can send a fax directly from Outlook without needing a physical fax machine. Start by opening the Microsoft Outlook desktop application. Once you're inside, go to the top left corner and click on the option to create a new email. This will open a blank message window, which is where the process begins. In the To field, instead of entering a regular email address, type the fax number you want to send the document to. After the number, add the required fax service domain, such as @efaxsend.com. This format allows Outlook to route your message through a fax service so it can be delivered as a fax. Next, fill in the subject line. This works just like a normal email and helps the recipient understand what the fax contains. It's a simple but useful step that adds clarity. Now, attach the document you want to fax by using the Attach File option. Make sure the file is correct, properly formatted, and includes only what you intend to send. Double check everything before moving forward to avoid any mistakes. Once everything is ready, click the Send button. Outlook will process the message and convert it into a fax through the service you used, and that's it. This is how you can send a fax in Outlook. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.